Problem: find the unit tangent vector and unit normal vector to f r of t is equal to 4 cos t I plus 4 sin t j plus tk at t equal to pi by 2. Find the unit tangent vector and unit normal vector. First section, unit tangent vector. Unit tangent vector is t of t. So tangent vector is denoted as unit tangent vector is denoted as t of t, which is equal to, what is tangent? Tangent is the derivative, that is r dash t, and unit vector means vector divided by modulus of the vector. So unit tangent vector is tangent vector divided by modulus of the tangent vector, that is r dash t by mod r dash t. First we find r dash t. R dash t is the derivative of r of t. Then for derivative of cos t is minus sin t I plus derivative of 4 sin t is 4 cos t j plus what is the derivative of t is 1k. Then listen, this is minus 4 sin t I plus 4 cos t j plus 1k. Then modulus of r dash t. Modulus of r dash t is the square root of coefficient of I square, that is minus 4 sin t square plus 4 cos t square plus 1 square, that is equal to square root of 16 sin square t plus 16 cos square t plus 1, that is equal to square root of 16 into sin square t plus cos square t plus 1, that is equal to root of 16 into 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 16 into 1 plus 1, which is root 17. This is mod r dash t. Then t of t is equal to r dash t by mod r dash t. Here r dash t is equal to minus 4 sin t I plus 4 cos t j plus 1k divided by root 17. This is t of t. This is t of t. Then this is the first value, unit tangent vector. Here one more question, unit normal vector. Unit normal vector. Listen, at point t equal to pi by 2. So here this t of t at t equal to pi by 2 is equal to minus 4 sin pi by 2 I plus 4 cos pi by 2j plus 1k divided by root 17, that is equal to, listen, sin pi by 2, sin 90 is 1, that is minus 4 into 1 I plus 4 cos pi by 2 cos 90 is 0. So 4 into 0j plus 1k divided by root 17, that is equal to minus 4i plus k divided by root 17. Minus 4i plus k divided by root 17. This is the unit tangent vector at t equal to pi by 2. Then here one more question is unit normal vector. Listen, unit normal vector. Unit normal vector denoted as n of t and is defined as t dash t by mod t dash t. T dash t by mod t dash t. What is t of t? This is t of t. What is t of t? T of t is equal to minus 4 sin t I plus 4 cos t j plus 1k divided by root 17. This is t of t. Then first t dash t. T dash t is the derivative of t of t. 1 by root 17 is constant into minus 4 sin t I minus 4 derivative of sin t is cos t I plus 4 derivative of cos t minus sin t. So here minus sin t j plus, listen, derivative of 1 0 k. That is here minus 4 by root 17 cos t I minus 4 by root 17 sin t j. Last value is 0. Then mod t dash t. What is mod t dash t? It's modulus of this vector, that is square root of minus 4 by root 17 cos t the whole square. That is the coefficient of I is here minus 4 by root 17 cos t, that square plus minus 4 by root 17 sin t the whole square. That is equal to minus 4 square is 16 by root 17 square. What is root 17 into root 17? It's root 17. Root 17 square is root 17 into root 17, that is 17. That is 16 by 17 cos square t plus here 4 square minus 4 square is 16 by root 17 square. Root 17 into root 17 is 17 sin square t. That is 16 by 17 into cos square t plus sin square t. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So root of 16 by 17. This is mod t dash t. Then what is n of t? That is unit normal vector is t dash t. T dash t is, this is t dash t. That is t dash t is this vector minus 4 by, this is t dash t. Then mod t dash t is mod t dash t by root 16 by 17. This is mod t dash t. That is equal to, listen, here minus 4 by root 17 is common into cos t I plus sin t j divided by root of 16 by 17. Divided by root of 16 by 17. That is minus 4 by root 17. This is reciprocal, taking the reciprocal into root 17 by root 16 cos t I plus sin t j. Here root 17 and root 16. What is root 16? Root 16 is 4. That is minus 4 by 4 cos t I plus sin t j. This is minus 4 and 4 cancel. Here minus of cos t I plus sin t j. That is equal to minus cos t I minus sin t j. This is unit normal vector n of t. Then n of t at the point t is equal to pi by 2. That is n of pi by 2 is equal to minus cos pi by 2 I minus sin pi by 2 j. That is equal to cos pi by 2, cos 90 is 0 I minus sin pi by 2 is 1 j, that is minus j. So n of t, that is unit normal vector at the point t equal to pi by 2 is minus j.